How to link Identity 5 with Facebook. Are you on Identity 5 and want to link your account with Facebook for easy login and data backup? If yes, here is how you do it. Launch open your Identity 5 game on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you open up the gear menu from the options, from the general menu, go to the bottom right corner and tap on User Center. Inside the User Center page, click on Link Account. Now select the link button right next to Facebook. Get ready to enter your Facebook account's credentials, that is your email or phone number followed by your password. After you type in your credentials and log in with Facebook, click on Continue button on the next page. Right after you do that, you'll be able to link Identity 5 with Facebook. After linking, your account should show Facebook linked option. This ensures that your progress is saved and can be restored if you change devices. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.